I can go or goes to market. We have to remember after modal verb we have to use V1 or base form. Go. Go is the correct answer. They could work hard or works hard. Could is a modal verb. That's why we have to work. We have to use work. Work is a correct answer. He could runs 5 kilometers at a distance. Could is a modal verb. Can, could, will, would, shall, may, might, shall after base form or V1. Runs is the correct